And good day, everybody. We are at the 16th day of February. We're at Friday. This is your Santa Clarita Open Houses broadcast. I am Connor with Honor. Thank you so much for watching. So today we're going to be talking about open houses, a couple things to watch out for, and giving you that local real estate update with regard to what's happening with our market and how it is regard to the listings and what's going on. So I'll go ahead and jump in there. Off the resource for you if you're looking to go to visit open houses. If you have a real estate agent, definitely make sure that you talk to them about this before embarking on a mission of your own. The reason being is there's going to be questions that might come up because you'll walk into these things and a lot of times the agents there aren't necessarily representative of actually on contract with the seller. It could be an agent that solicited the listing agent, said, hey, do you mind if I hold this house open because I'm trying to get more business? Thereby, they might be a little bit more pressure driven and they might have you fill out information or forms or sign in where you might feel like you're obligated to, but in reality, it's totally up to you to keep yourself private or keep yourself public. So totally your choice. Right now in Santa Clarita Valley, we've been watching the inventory over the last few days build. I've been doing shows daily for the past week, and prior to that I did them a couple times a week, but the market is changing quite a bit and we're watching as we're seeing more inventory added, but that doesn't seem to be slowing down the way listings are selling. They're still selling in short time frames. Today we're at 287, so we've been bumped up here about 20 listings in the last week, so a little bit of a percentage of an increase there. We will continue to watch and see what happens. As far as the open houses go, when you go, a couple things to know. More than likely you're going to be on some kind of video camera feed, so they will be watching you go through the open house, not because they think you're up to no good, but again, it does protect the seller in a way from maybe liability purposes. It couldn't hurt. So in a lot of cases, you'll either have audio recording, video recording, and now with technology, it's very simple to have both combined in the same device. So you'll see them. It might be apparent, it might not. There might be signs posted, there may not. But just understand, even when you're visiting real estate resale with me or your agent, there's a lot of times when you are actually going to be captured on video and audio as you go through these properties. And I've even had reports back. Sometimes some children will be children, right? That's what they do. And no matter how much of a control you try to exhibit over them, it seems like the more kids push back. So some circumstances, the parents are busy looking at a certain place and the kids are doing things that maybe they shouldn't. And then you find out later if in fact there was a video feed for the residents, because then you get a phone call from the agent saying, well, the seller said the visitors did this or did that. And it's very embarrassing, but usually there is some kind of proof standing behind that. Understand that going in, if not for the care of your agent or yourself, maybe the care of your children, just be wary with regard to that. I've had people show up at open houses with pets, and where the sellers were very allergic to pets. Comes out during the listing agreement whenever we kind of get a little bit more personal and discuss what their plans are. A lot of times that comes into it. So then people show up to open houses and they're carrying their dogs in their hand. And I love animals and maybe they are hypoallergenic, but sometimes you just can't get that past individuals that really aren't a fan of animals. Therefore, be wary taking your pets into open houses as well. I hope you enjoy the update. You can just go to connorwithhonor.com to see all of the listings. Here's something as well. What I did is I put the open houses at Santa Clarita openhouses.com. That's my site. You'll land on a page. Right now, it's not HTTPS, so it doesn't have that security protocol enabled. So on some of the browsers, it's going to give you this warning. I am having that repaired, but it is a safe site. It is my site offered through my MLS, so it is going to be accurate, and it will. I've designed that particular page just to show the open houses throughout the Santa Clarita Valley cities. So you'll see that Santa Clarita openhouses.com. Let me know if you see anything that you like and you'd like to have an open house tour or new house tour or resale tour. I'm here. I'm Connor with Honor. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, and we will talk to you soon.